Hey guys, we have a personal break here. 4 boxes of Platinum Elite 2017 Onyx Baseball for John. There we go. Get all blurry in the back. He's going 2 left and 4 left. And on the right, he's doing 4 and 6. There's 4. And there's 6. And there's falling over. Yeah, Acuna base first chromes, we pulled those. Most of the time. I'm sure there's some that slip through the cracks there. That's why people keep buying them, because they're good value. Alright, first box, Platinum Elite. What did I open? 1 and 6 on the right. I read that wrong. 1 and 6. Which one was this? Does anybody remember which one this was? It's not opened yet. Yeah, just grab the next one. Not 4 and 6. Alright, so did anybody happen to watch and know which one I need to switch? This one is fine. This one needs to be switched, right? This needs to be switched out for this, right? This was 1, and I picked up 4. I think that was the mistake. Confirm? Confirm? Yeah, second on the stack for the one on the top right. That's what I thought. Alright, we are good. For once, math actually worked for me. Alright, cool. Here we go. Oh, not really math. There's an empty. Better check under those just to make sure. Nifty little cellophane packs here. No, Nate, I fixed it. Let's leave the autos on the bottom here. Okay, we got Acuna. J. Groom. Why am I not focused? Because I have auto zoom on still. Bo Bichette, Tristan McKenzie, Nicky Lopez, Kevin Maitan, DJ Wilson, Carlos Rincon, Nicky Lopez, and Acuna Matata. Boom. Best name in the product, aside from Vladdy G and Bo Bichette, probably. Nicky Lopez and Acuna, neither one numbered. Autos are a little weak on these. They're a little streaky. They're not terrible. It's a little streaky, though. Alright. All the base is the same in every box? What? That is crazy. How did they only get 8 base cards? Yeah, we have J. Groom on the bottom again. Hand numbered bottom left. Okay, I was just wondering where they put their serial numbers. Yep, Acuna and J. Groom. That's hilarious. Well, let's do this for the base then. Lopez, Maitan, DJ, and Rincon every single time. Carlos Rincon for your auto. And it's a redemption of Jason Groom. Oh boy, you get to mail that in. That's hilarious. So Rincon black ink, by the way. And Jason Groom. I'll mark that to be sent to you with your next shipment. Or we could just actually sell the card, probably. Although it's got that code on it, so it's a little weird to just put up on eBay. Like, I can't believe they don't have a website with a code thing. It's crazy. For a minute, I thought I said with a self-addressed stamped envelope. Okay. Alright, here's your base. Same thing every box, apparently. DJ and Rincon. And it is. Carlos Rincon! And a Bo Bichette green. Damn. That Rincon is ruined, by the way. It's got a big crease right there in the middle. That's headed to Com C. So Bo Bichette green. That's numbered out of 50. 16 out of 50. Back left, not the front. That's weird. Nice Bichette, nice Acuna so far, my man. And last box. True, true, true. I'm sure Topps has been hacked a few times. Actually, I know they have. Excuse me, I have a 50 Chris Bryant 2013 Bowman Chrome Superfractors waiting. I know there's only one, but I got 50 codes. They're in my account. Damn, another Bichette. Crazy. 3 of those in the case. Are there only 8 guys on the autograph list, by the way? And DJ Wilson, red ink. That's out of 10. 8 out of 10 on the DJ Wilson. What? He's 6'8"? What? How old is this kid? Silver, gold, red, black, purple, orange, green, and blue. Blue is numbered to 245, even though we didn't see a blue numbered. Bro, this kid's 6'8". Oh my god, he's only 177 pounds? What? Jesus. Talk about a thin, skinny rail. He doesn't look that skinny. 6'8", 177. That's not a number you see too often. What kind of dog, Corey? Is it a good dog or a bad dog? So blue is just the base auto, so every base, 245. Alright. I think you did pretty well there.